Everyone, this is Reggie, the Appliance Repair Nerd, here again with another video. If you're wondering how to take the cabinet off of your Whirlpool washer, this is a quick tutorial. So you'll either have screws on the front of the machine or in the back of the machine. You basically take a Phillips head screwdriver. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tight. Turn off the screws. Should slide right out. Make sure you put the screws somewhere you can find them. Pop the lid up. And then you take a screwdriver. And these clips here is what actually holds the frame together. So you put a screwdriver in this slot here and pull back on it, and that comes right out. Screwdriver in the slot, pull back, comes right out. Whirlpool, Kenmore, Roper, certain brands of KitchenAid, basically direct drive washers and dryers. Oh, also remember to take out, this is your lid switch. So you take that off. And it pulls right out. You tilt it forward. Yeah, you're gonna get inside here. And if you look inside, it's directly under the lip, so you slide it out. And that brings it out. Now you have access to your pump, you have access to your motor, and you have access to inspect the outside of the tub for any holes, whatever issue may cause you to be taking it apart. And also just to clean it too. Any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I answer you within 24 hours. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.